Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken lollipops using drumsticks. First, take a drumstick and make a clean, circular cut around the bone, about 1 inch from the narrow end. Then, carefully push all the meat down towards the wider end, creating a neat, compact ball. Ensure the bone is completely clean and exposed, giving it that classic lollipop shape. This simple technique transforms ordinary drumsticks into a fun, appealing dish. Now, let's infuse those lollipops with incredible flavor. In a bowl, mix together ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, and a hint of turmeric. Add a generous splash of soy sauce, a touch of vinegar, and a pinch of black pepper. Coat each drumstick thoroughly with this marinade. For the best results, let them marinate for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours in the refrigerator, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Once marinated, it's time to cook these delicious lollipops. You can deep fry them in oil heated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are golden brown and cooked through, which usually takes 8 to 10 minutes. For a lighter option, consider baking them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 minutes or until crispy. An air fryer also works wonderfully, offering a similar crispy texture with less oil. To complete your culinary masterpiece, serve these hot chicken lollipops immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a spicy Szechuan or a sweet chili. A sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro or spring onions adds a vibrant touch and extra flavor. Remember, for the best results, avoid overcrowding your pan or fryer. Cook in batches if necessary to ensure each lollipop achieves perfect crispiness and even cooking. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.